Welcome to Speedy K's Pressure Washing Services Division. This is just a helpful video to just kind of give you some key pointers on what Speedy K's can help you out with as far as what you're looking for. We not only pressure wash full homes, but we can also do a grouping package, meaning if you need a house pressure washed, driveway, sidewalk, garage organized, pressure washed, clean, porch, whatever it may be, Speedy K specializes in this, and we give you group discounting services. So if you'd like an estimate, please do give your local Speedy K's a call today, and they'll be able to provide you an estimate via phone. Make sure, depending upon the square footage of your home, driveway, sidewalk, deck, whatever it may be, please do provide us with that information. They can give you an estimate via phone. If you would like, you can also schedule an appointment online on our scheduling link, or if you would just like us to contact you, please click on the Contact Us form, fill out all the information, and the more information we have about what type of service you're looking for, as far as within the pressure washing division, we'll be able to help you out further. If you do call your local Speedy K's, please do make sure to leave them a voice message, for they may be with a client or on the other line at the time you're calling, and they'll call you back as quick as possible or within that day or the next business day.